What happens when you take 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily for 90 days? Your body starts repairing itself at the cellular level. Week 1 feels subtle. You're getting 30 grams of healthy fats daily, and your body's absorbing fat-soluble vitamins 40% better. Vitamins A, D, E, and K actually work now. Your LDL cholesterol particles start changing structure, becoming less likely to oxidize and damage your arteries. By week 3, inflammation drops. There's this compound called oleocanthal in EVOO that works like ibuprofen. Chronic inflammation markers decrease by 15 to 20%. Your blood pressure starts dropping too, about 3 to 5 points on average. Not dramatic, but consistent. Around day 45, your insulin sensitivity improves by 15%. Your cells respond better to insulin, which means better blood sugar control. Your gut microbiome shifts. Beneficial bacteria increase by 25%, which affects everything from digestion to mood. Day 90, your cardiovascular risk factors improved significantly. LDL oxidation down 30%, HDL, good cholesterol, up 5%, and your endothelial function, basically how well your blood vessels work, improved by 20%. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor increases too, supporting cognitive function and memory. The key is quality. You need real extra virgin, cold-pressed in a dark bottle. The fake stuff won't do this. Please note, read these guidelines before beginning any dietary changes.